David Dobrik and Lorraine Nash are calling it quits. Heartbreaking news today, guys. Everyone's favorite couple, David and Lorraine, have decided to call it quits after 1 month of marriage. Shocking, right? If you remember, back in May, David proposed to Lorraine so he could effectively become his best friend Jason's stepfather. The prank is quite possibly David's most extravagant effort yet, and Lorraine was a great sport and totally went along with it. After a beautiful ceremony and a Hawaiian honeymoon, the pair seemed to be living happily ever after with their son Jason, until now. David addressed the split on Instagram, sharing with fans, "I am heartbroken to announce that Lorraine and I have decided to end our romantic relationship. We wish this news would have come from us first. However, we know it's difficult for media to resist speculation. We have tried so hard to make things work. Sometimes in life, you just aren't enough for someone, no matter what you do for them or what you try to be. Lorraine, you have been my light, my muse, and my confidant. You have taught me not only how to love another person, but how to love myself. We will continue to love and support one another while being great friends and parents to our children. I thank everyone in advance for respecting our privacy at this time." It looks like Jason might be blaming himself for his parents' divorce. He shared David's statement on Twitter and said, "Somehow I feel like this is my fault." Our hearts go out to the Dobrik Nash family as they struggle through these trying times. That's all the news I have to share with you guys. Do you think these lovebirds have a chance down the line? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm your host, Fiona Zaring. See you guys next time.